Hey everyone, it is Diecast review day, and today we are taking a look at my 1/18 scale 2002 Ford Thunderbird. It is built by Maisto. I've had this car in my collection since it was brand new. I bought it at, I think, Walmart, if I remember correctly. It's been a while. It's been 22 years since I bought it. But anyway, I bought it at Walmart. I think it was less than $20 back then. And this particular model happens to be my favorite Thunderbird color combination, which is Thunderbird Blue. And it does feature the two-tone black and Thunderbird Blue interior. My dream one day is to own one of these cars in this exact spec. And the only way I have it right now is in this diecast version of the car. So let's go ahead and dive into the diecast review of this car. All right, we're going to start the review with the exterior, and I'm going to show it with the hardtop on. However, in the next clip, you'll notice that this particular car has the removable hardtop option, which is pretty cool. So it just pops right off, and it does have the mounting post all visible and everything like that, but it's pretty cool to be able to pose this car in its top-down formation. I kind of secretly wish that it had a molded canvas soft top variant as well. That'd be kind of cool to add to this as well. But here you go in the top-down version. I think the car looks good in either variant. I do like how it has the porthole windows in the hardtop, and they are chrome ringed. This is a full-featured model, so it does feature opening doors, hood, and trunk, and workable steering as well as suspension. As you can see here, the hood does stay open. However, it does have a posable prop rod in there as well, and it does feature the AJ V8 engine. It's just a dual overhead cam 32 valve V8, and it is derived from the Jaguar S-Type, and it found its way into the Lincoln LS as well. All right, we're going to take a couple quick looks of the engine block with it removed from the interior pan. As you can see, it does have a full detailed serpentine belt, wiring, chrome exhaust manifolds, all that kind of stuff, and the black head covers and intakes. Of course, the car does feature opening doors, and it does feature the dogleg hinges that Maisto was so famously known for back then. They have since switched over to spring hinges that open a more realistic way, but back then Maisto reverted to the dog legs, and they work just fine. As you can see here, the interior is quite nicely detailed. It does feature the Thunderbird logos stamped into the seat backs, seat belts, the duotone interior, which looks really, really good on this car, but the Thunderbird logo on the steering wheel is way off center. All right, and taking a look over here on the driver's side, as you can see, nice detail on the door panels. Of course, it does have that two-tone treatment on the steering wheel as well. And as stated before, that Thunderbird logo is way off center. The seat backs do not move or anything like that. They do kind of, but they're fixed in place with the plastic backing on it. All right, now we're going to hop inside. We're going to show some details with the interior removed from the car. Nice attention to detail on the seats, and the dashboard is excellently detailed. It does feature a sticker for the gauges, but tampo appliques for the center infotainment screen. And they are all legible. All the buttons on this car are actually legible if you magnify it enough. And of course, the car does feature an opening trunk as well. It does open up on dogleg hinges, and it's tight enough where it stays open. And you do have a molded in place trunk mat at about the same storage as a normal Thunderbird. Now we're going to flip the car over and show the undercarriage. Highly polished chrome undercarriage details, rack and pinion steering, groove tires, all that kind of stuff. It has the Thunderbird logo, scale 1/18, and of course Maisto's logo. Working suspension as stated before, and very unrealistic, highly polished chrome exhaust. And here is just the pan with everything removed, and then the interior pan added. And here is the shot with everything open, which concludes the end of this video. We hope you found the Diecast review informative and somewhat entertaining. If not, that's okay, but if you did, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/neighborhoodcarreviews and our Instagram channel at BrensoJ1. And of course, as always, thank you so much for watching.